Have you ever stared at your phone for 10 minutes, totally nervous to make a call in English? Maybe your heart was pounding, maybe you rehearsed your lines 3 times, and then the voicemail picked up and you just hung up?
If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Phone calls in English can feel terrifying. There's no body language, no time to pause, and you have to sound confident even when you're not.
Today we're going to fix that. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when you call a doctor's office, a plumber, or any professional, and you'll sound natural doing it.
Welcome to Real English Conversations. I'm William.
And I'm Sarah. This is the podcast where we teach you English the way real people actually use it, not the way textbooks imagine it.
Today's episode is all about phone calls. We have 6 key phrases for you, 2 real-life call scenarios, a slow repeat section, and a quiz. Let's get into it. Alright, so Sarah, today's story is about you. You have 2 calls to make, one to a plumber and one to your doctor's office. And I'm going to coach you through both of them.
Okay, but I have to be honest, I hate phone calls. Even in my own language, I prefer texting. In English, it feels like a final exam.
I get it. But here's the thing. Most professional phone calls follow a very predictable script. If you know the pattern, you can handle almost any call.
Okay, walk me through the plumber call first. My sink has been leaking for 3 days, and I really need to fix this.
Perfect. So you dial the number, someone picks up, and they say, "Good morning, Pete's Plumbing." What do you say?
Hello, I have a problem with my sink.
Not bad, but let's make it more natural. Try starting with your name, then the reason you're calling. Something like, "Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm calling because I have a leaking sink and I'd like to schedule a repair."
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm calling because I have a leaking sink and I'd like to schedule a repair.
Much better. Now, the receptionist might say, "Hold on a second, let me check our schedule." That phrase, "hold on," means wait a moment. It's very common on phone calls.
And what if the plumber is busy and can't come to the phone?
Great question. They might say, "He's not available right now. Can he call back later?" And that's our second phrase, call back. It means to return a phone call.
So I would say something like, "Sure, he can call back this afternoon. My number is 555-0134.
Exactly. And if he doesn't answer when he calls you back, that's when you leave a message. Our third phrase, leave a message.
Okay, let's practice. I'll leave a message for the plumber. Hi, this is Sarah calling for Pete's Plumbing. I'm calling about a leaking sink at 42 Maple Street. Could someone call back at 555-0134? Thank you.
That was great. Clear, professional, all the information they need. You gave your name, the reason, your address, and your number. Textbook voicemail.
What about a bad connection, though? That happens to me a lot, and I panic. I don't know what to say when I can't hear properly.
That's super common, and there's a simple phrase for it. You just say, "Sorry, we have a bad connection. Could you repeat that?" The phrase bad connection tells the other person the problem is technical, not that you don't understand English.
Oh, I love that. It sounds so professional. Instead of just saying what? I don't understand. I can say, "Sorry, bad connection."
Exactly. Now let's move to your second call, the doctor's office. This one is a little more formal, and there are 2 more phrases you need.
Right. I need to make an appointment for a checkup. And I always get nervous when they ask me to confirm things like my date of birth or insurance information.
That's where phrase 5 comes in, just to confirm. Receptionists use this constantly. Just to confirm, your appointment is on Thursday at 2 p.m. It means they're checking the information is correct.
And I can use it too, right? Like at the end of the call I could say, "Just to confirm, my appointment is Friday at 10 a.m. with Drive Martinez."
Exactly. It shows you're organized and paying attention. Receptionists love it when patients do that. Now, our last phrase, reach you at. As in, can we reach you at this number? It means, is this the best number to call you?
Okay, let me try the full doctor call. Hi, my name is Sarah Collins. I'd like to make an appointment for a general checkup with Dr. Martinez. Then they ask, "Can we reach you at the number we have on file?" And I say, "Yes, that's correct. My number is 0134.
And then at the end you say, just to confirm, my appointment is Tuesday at 9 a.m. And they say yes, and you're done. You did it.
Okay, I actually feel a lot better about this now. The key is having those phrases ready before you call, right?
100%. Even native speakers do that. Before a difficult call, I'll sometimes write down the key information: name, reason, what I need. It helps you sound confident even if you're nervous. Let's break down the first 3 phrases from today's episode. I'll give you the meaning, pronunciation, and a natural example for each one.
Number 1, hold on. /hold n/. This means wait a moment. You'll hear it all the time on phone calls. Hold on, I'll check that for you. It's casual and natural, much better than just saying wait.
Number 2, call back. KL back. To return a phone call. I'll call back when I'm out of the meeting. Notice, in American English we often say call you back or give you a call back.
Number 3, leave a message. /lif msd/. When someone can't answer, you leave a message like a voicemail. I tried calling but had to leave a message. Always include your name and number in a message so they can call back.
All right, now let's talk about the moments in a call that feel the most awkward, the silences, the could you repeat that, and the ending. These are the parts that trip people up the most.
The ending is definitely my weak spot. I never know how to close a call politely. I just kind of say, okay, bye, and hang up really fast.
Most learners do that. But a smooth ending actually makes you sound very professional. After you've confirmed everything, you can say, great, I'll look forward to it. Have a good day. Short, warm, done.
What about when the receptionist speaks really fast and I miss something? I'm too embarrassed to ask them to repeat it.
Don't be embarrassed. Everyone asks for repeats, including native speakers. The politest way is, I'm sorry, could you repeat that? I think we might have a bad connection. See how using bad connection takes the pressure off you.
Oh, that's clever. It doesn't sound like you didn't understand. It sounds like a technical problem. Very smart.
Let's do a quick full call together. I'll be the doctor's office. You call me. Go ahead.
Hi, good morning. My name is Sarah Collins. I'm calling to make an appointment. I'd like to see Dr. Martinez for a routine checkup.
Good morning, Sarah. Hold on one moment while I pull up the schedule.
Of course, take your time.
Okay, we have Tuesday at 9 a.m. or Thursday at 3 p.m. Which works for you?
Tuesday at 9 a.m. works perfectly. And just to confirm, that's with Dr. Martinez, correct?
That's correct. Can we reach you at the number on file?
Yes, you can reach you at this number, 555-0134. Sorry, you can reach me at that number. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
That was excellent. You used 3 of today's phrases naturally. Hold on, just to confirm, and reach you at. And your closing was warm and professional. That's a real phone call right there.
Okay, let's cover the last 3 phrases from today. These are the ones that make you sound truly fluent and professional.
Number 4, bad connection. Bad can. This is your secret weapon. When you miss something, say sorry, I think we have a bad connection. It's polite, it's believable, and it buys you time.
Number 5, just to confirm. /DSDT/KNFRM/. Use this at the end of any call when you want to check important details. Just to confirm, the appointment is on Monday at 2 p.m. It shows you're professional and careful.
And number 6, reach you at. Reach you at. You'll hear this in formal calls. Can we reach you at this number? You can also use it yourself. The best way to reach me at work is my direct line. It's a very professional phrase.
Now, let's do the slow repeat section. We'll say each phrase slowly so you can practice your pronunciation. Repeat after us.
Hold on.
Hold on. I'll check that for you.
Call back.
I'll call back this afternoon.
Leave a message.
I had to leave a message. I'll wait for them to call back.
Bad connection.
Sorry, I think we have a bad connection. Could you repeat that?
Just to confirm.
Just to confirm, the appointment is on Tuesday at 9 a.m.?
Reach you at.
Can we reach you at the number on file?
Time for the quiz. 3 questions about today's vocabulary. Think carefully before you answer. We'll give you a moment after each question.
Question 1. A receptionist says, he's not here right now, but he can call back later. What does call back mean? A. Cancel the call. B. Return the phone call. C. Put you on hold. D. Transfer you to someone else.
The answer is B. Return the phone call. Callback means to call someone again after missing their call or after you've been asked to wait.
Question 2. You're on the phone and you don't understand what the person said. Which phrase is the most polite and professional way to ask them to repeat? A. What did you say? B. I don't understand. C. Sorry, we have a bad connection. Could you repeat that? D. Speak slowly, please.
The answer is C. Sorry, we have a bad connection. Could you repeat that? This is polite, professional, and doesn't make you feel embarrassed for not understanding.
Question 3. At the end of your call, you want to verify the appointment details. Which phrase do you use? A. Are you sure? B. Just to confirm, my appointment is Monday at 10 a.m.? C. Hold on, I need to check. D. I'll leave a message later.
The answer is B. Just to confirm, my appointment is Monday at 10 a.m. This phrase signals you're being careful and professional, and it's a natural way to close a call.
That's a wrap on English 014. Today we covered 6 essential phrases for phone calls in English. Hold on, call back, leave a message, bad connection, just to confirm, and reach you at.
Here's your homework. This week, make 1 phone call in English. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even calling a restaurant to ask their hours counts. Use at least 1 phrase from today's episode.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe and leave us a review. It really helps other learners find our podcast. And share this episode with a friend who's learning English. Phone calls are hard for everyone.
Next time on Real English Conversations, English 015, Making Plans with Friends. We'll teach you how native speakers make plans, cancel, and reschedule in casual English. Phrases like "Are you free?" "Rain check," and "Count me in." You won't want to miss it.
Until next time, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, every phone call is just a conversation. You've got this.